Today I'm going to walk you through this little V65 Magna that I just hooked up for about $400. It's been sitting for who knows how long, but it's really in very nice condition, no scratches or anything on it. Has 22,000 miles on the clock. And first thing I did was put the key in the gas cap, and it's stuck. But I'll work that out. I'll get it out. But man, let me tell you right now, the gas tank isn't rusty, but boy, that is stinky. So it's probably going to need a carb clean, which is going to be a bugger. We all know that. If you know the V65 Magna or any of the Honda V4s, those are going to be a bugger. Couldn't be worse than a Goldwing GL1000, because that was a bugger. So no plate on it, so I don't know when the last time it was licensed was, but I do have title for it. No patina, a little patina on this side, just a little bit down here. I see a little bit under there. Oh, I smell it from here. And it looks like there's getting to be a little bit on the rims. I see some hiding back there, but not bad overall. This bike was laying outside in the grass on its side. So we rescued this bike from the idiots right before it got bad, but it has been sitting for a long time. Has some kind of radar detector kind of deal on there. Yeah, looks like radar detector. Hey, so yeah, I'm going to make this a running motorcycle. So if you'd like to see how that goes, I'm always able to make them run. That's kind of my thing. I take bikes that have been sitting for decades and I make them run again and return them to service. If you're interested in that sort of thing and other motorcycles like that, here are some other ones, just a few other ones. I've got a bunch of different bikes. I'm always working on all kinds of different bikes. I've got a lot of motorcycles to make run again, and I'm going to do videos, cool videos on it. So if you like all types of motorcycle related content, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. My content's going to get better as we go, I promise. Thanks again for watching.